Yung unang hakbang yung palaging mahirap, pero yung unang hakbang din ang simula ng pag-usad. The step that you are afraid to take might be the step that you need. Dear, this might be for you. You can do it scared, so do it scared. But make sure that God is involved, God is in it, and God is the center of it. Always ask God of what step you have to take this time. Lord, is this for me? Lord, para sa akin ba tong trabaho na to? Lord, siya na ba yung para sa akin? Lord, am I going to say yes today? Lord, should I buy this or should I buy that? Lord, check my heart if you are here. Walang masamang umabante, basta lagi mong kasangga ang Diyos. Palaging magtanong, palaging sumunod, at palaging makinig. Totoo naman na hindi tayo aabante kung hindi tayo hahakbang. Pero hahakbang ka rin lang naman, isama mo na ang Diyos. Yes, we can do it, but we can't do it alone. God, I'm making a step, so be my guide. With love and prayers, Noel.